You know, it wouldn't be summer and outside without the AC cranked up. Today is July 6th, 7th. When was July 4th? That was a few days ago. I don't know. I'm fairly sure today is July 7th, if that helps. Andy's mom is in town, so they're inside making dinner right now, making their people's food of chili meat. And I used to always make fun of it just because of the name, but it's actually really delicious. So she came and looked at the garden on the way in, and she told me to come look at it. So that's what we're doing right now. So let's go look. Here is the garden. That's one of our flowers. It's getting like new flowers on top. It's pretty cool. It has been disturbingly hot recently. It's mid-90s with no rain. We should be getting rain this week, but we don't know. So the plants weren't doing so good, so we put up some water. We're watering them at night. Little tomato. Is this a tomato? This can't be a tomato. Check this out. So I didn't notice this until right now. So I swore this was a tomato, but look, that's not the top of a tomato. What the hell are we growing? Well, that's exciting. What is this? So that's completely new to me. This just started like flowering like this. I have no idea what this is. This was from that last batch from the basement that started growing really well as soon as we took it out of the greenhouse. And now it's like budding. Look at that. Like, that's crazy. What is that? Anyway, let's keep looking. So the tomatoes are seriously overgrown, as always. But it is almost taller than me. It's getting close. It's getting really ridiculously close to being taller than me. But it's not there yet, so. You short bastard. Like literally, I think we could start like making poppers out of these. Look at those. Look at those beautiful bastards. So this guy over here, these looking pretty good. I think these are sashitos. I'll go all the way back. They're growing really good, but we're gonna let them mature. Andy found a really good recipe online for like fried sashito. So we're gonna try that one out. But she said to come out and check the candy cane, and oh, I see what she sees. Do you see it yet? Do you see that little pop, that little hint of color? We're starting to see color. But then, what is this? What is this? What are those? What are those? Look at this beautiful little girl right here. Oh my goodness, that is dark red. It's just red where the sun is coming in. So some sun's coming in right there, and it's hitting it perfectly right there, but it's not hitting it over here like at all. So it's green on the bottom, red on top. Looks pretty badass. So that one's getting close to being picked. That's exciting. Look at these tomatoes. What are those? We're gonna have so many tomatoes, I don't even know what to do with them. Andy kept saying while we were planting this, while we were growing, don't worry, I'll eat them all. And now she's like, I don't want any of them. And the problem is since they're all on the ground, they're gonna rot. So we really need to put these up and off the ground. Otherwise, you're just gonna get rotten tomatoes. Now, the cilantro is finally starting to die because we're not keeping up on it. You're supposed to cut these off. A lot of little bugs running around. gonna take this. Well, okay, I screwed that one up. Go back in there, cilantro. Catnip's going good. Got an update from our friends Andrew and Andrea. We dried a bunch of catnip. Their cats freaking loved it. Our cats really don't react to it. So if anyone wants some catnip, look at this. Look, like it's actually like bulbous,ing the ground. It's like the ground is like bulbing up. This one, not doing so good. Not doing so good. Not growing at all. This one's looking fantastic. This tomato plant right here, is this tomato? Oh, no, this is a cucumber. Good God. Cucumber plants are just insane. Look at this. There used to be a walk path here. Is there anything growing on this yet? Or is this just being like super chaotic? I don't see any fruits yet. I do see a lot of flowers, so bees, come. Hurry up and start pollinating. I want to start eating these bastards. I think come harvest time, our neighbors are either going to love us or hate us because of all the vegetables we're going to give them. This one is looking pretty bad. And oh, that poor peach cream is just getting overshadowed here. Yeah, that's not looking good. I think I can probably cut some of this down because I really want this one to grow. My mother-in-law is in town, and our mystery weed might have been identified. She thinks this might be a sunflower. So we don't know for sure, but it is a very safe bet because it came from the bird feeder over here, which there's a lot of sunflower seeds in. So yeah, I think the mystery weed is going to be a sunflower, which would be really pretty to have here. Yeah, that'd be nice.